Hello everybody. In this video we're gonna be playing Minecraft, but if I sneeze then yeah, so let's get right to the video. First step we're gonna do is we're gonna get wood. Okay, we only need a couple pieces, crafting table and some sticks. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to craft our most valuable item, which is a shovel in this situation, and a button, because of how much things we can do with them. The button is one of the most powerful weapons in the game. It has a 1.5 second cooldown. And compared to other items, 2.5. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm ready to fire that cave now. Shovel to mine, but that's the most efficient way. So yeah. Alright, now what we're gonna do is find some iron ore down here. That looks like iron ore to me. Yeah, look at this. Some of this iron ore. I feel a sneeze now. I can feel a sneeze, but I don't want to sneeze. Ooh, we found some coal, guys. Why didn't it drop? No!